Hello, we are at Intersolar Day 3 and with us is Mr. Nitin from the Pahal Energy. Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, can you please tell Energetica India readers in brief about Pahal Energy and its various products?
Actually, we are started our Pahal Solar in 2016 with 45 megawatt, and its founder name is Mr. Mukesh Shingala from Japan. And after that, we have also started our EPC department, which is headed by the Mr. Mukesh. And then in 2019, we again were extended our line by the huge acceptance by the EPCs players in Gujarat and Western, and we extended our line up to the 220 megawatt. And right now we have a 600 megawatt line, fully automatic line in Olpad, based at Surat, and we have a cater up to 340 watt peak poly panels right now.
Sir, can you please tell us about the main products you are featuring during the Intersolar this year?
We launching our MBB solar panels in Intersolar. We'll be cater up to 740 watt peak panels in the market within a month.
Okay. Also, please tell us about your solar module manufacturing facility.
About the facility, we have a fully automatic lines with latest technology, and we have a two separate line in poly and mono is a separate line, and we have fully automations.
Sir, can you please tell us a bit about the future plans of the Pahal Solar?
About the planning, we have right now a 750 megawatt plan, and we will be extend our plant up to 1 gigawatt within about 1 year in other area. So we have total two factory in our part region.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah.